I will show you how to start trading with my founding account. Go to mfatraders.com, just scroll down and choose your challenge. Here you got 3 different types of accounts: Standard, Plus and Wanted. Just choose your account and click Start. Here all you need to do is just enter your personal details and you can use the code MFAM2 to get discount. If you want to log into the platform, you can do it in 2 different ways. First one, you go to platform.myfoundingaccount.com, you can sign up here, enter your login details and click sign in. If you want to use TradingView, just click on here to switch to TradingView. On the left hand side you can choose your instrument, you can sell or buy. Here you enter your lot size, and if you want to set pending order, just click on new order, and here you got option of pending order. If you want to look for some more instruments, just click on all symbols, and here you can find anything you like. On the top of the screen you can see your account number, and here you can switch between your accounts. Right here you can check calendar, top movers and news. Over here you got plenty tools you can use. Just choose what you want and use it. Over here you can change time frame, you can change candlesticks, and also you can add some indicators. Here's the list of indicators you can use on this platform. If you want to switch to full screen mode, just click on here. At the bottom of the screen you can see open positions, pending orders, finance and close positions. If you want to check your performance, just click on prop and arrow down. If you want to buy new challenge, you can do it directly from the platform. Just click on start new challenge, choose the challenge you like, you can apply promo code and click continue. Remember to use the code MFAM2 to get discount. If you want to find out more about prop trading, join our upcoming webinar, just click the link below.